Hey, Josh from Bernal Cutlery here, and today I wanted to show you the 6-inch boning and 8-inch trimming knife from Silverthorn Knife and Tool. Daniel Hilgenberg is the knife maker behind Silverthorn. He's located in Mebane, North Carolina, and he designed this 6-inch boning knife with Justin Meddis at Rose's Butcher in Durham, North Carolina around 2015. And we started carrying them a little bit after that. Local butcher here in San Francisco, Tim, brought one by that he had picked up from Daniel and had been using it for a little bit and just was in love with it and had to show us, and we checked it out. Initially, I thought that, you know, with this slim of a handle that it might be a little slippery, but it's got this great textured handle. This is a green G10 with little white and orange spacers. But they're super grippy. This 01 steel holds its edge really beautifully, and the design is just amazing. These really kind of pick up where a lot of the most popular commercially available butcher knives, you know, boning knives, where they kind of fall off and where they seem to fall a little short, especially once they get used a little bit for that trimming, seaming, the precise work. Things that require a lot of bite in the edge. These hold their edge really nicely. The 01 carbon steel is great on stones or on a steel. And the 8-inch trimming knife also kind of fills in for where some of the more standard breaking knives fall a little short. We've also had great reviews off of these. These came out a couple years after the boning knife. A lot of people were asking for something a little bit bigger, something they could use for breaking, larger trimming jobs, you know, cutting small chops and stuff like that. And we're really stoked to have these again. These are made with 01 carbon steel. It's an American steel that's widely available. It's not too expensive, but it's a great material, especially for applications like this. These are hardened to about 58 Rockwell. Not too hard, not too soft, easy to sharpen on stones or on a sharpening steel, but also with good edge life and toughness. This is the green G10, and we also get a black micarta, different woods. This probably is the most popular one that we get. So being that probably 90% of the people that are picking these up are professionals and they're going to be going into knife rolls, we had Edro make us some magnetic sayas for these. Carbon steel really does do best in a wood saya. Plastic can encourage rust on carbon steel, so use it if you have to. It's better than a knife poking through your bag, but when you can use wood, it's a great option. So these have a magnetic closure to them, so no pin is needed, and these hold the blades nice and secure in your knife roll. So we've definitely seen that whenever one of these knives shows up at somebody's work, that a lot of coworkers come in after using them, and we've been really happy with these knives over the years, and it's been great to you know, get a chance to see them get used and go into their working lives, and get the reviews of the cooks and butchers that are relying on these day in, day out, and we're really proud to offer these. And thanks for tuning in. All right, talk to you later.